everybody! Today's video is a first impressions on a product I obviously have not tried. It is a highlighting product that I will be showing you in just a second. I'm basically just going to be showing you my first impression and a few different ways to use it that I have heard of and just testing it on myself. I'm gonna stop rambling, we can jump right into the video. So here is the product that I am going to be demoing today. It is by Red Aspen. It is the Lacey's Browlight Duo Pencil. Here's what the pencil looks like up close. You can see obviously that it has two sides to it, a matte side and a shimmer side. There are a ton of different ways you can use this product, so I'm going to be trying to find as many ways as possible to use this on my face today. I've heard that the matte side is great for concealer and covering up any little brow hairs and really structuring the brow, and the shimmer side is great for highlighting, so we are going to be jumping right into this video and giving this bad boy a go. So I'm going to try to get as close as possible without getting too close to the camera, but I want you guys to really see the product and how it moves on the face and basically just how it applies and blends out. I have a few different brushes and a beauty blender in front of me, so I'm going to be attempting to use this for under the eyes and possibly my beauty blender sponge, so we're going to be testing out a few different ways to do this. So the only thing that I have done is my lips, my eyes, other than highlighting, and my face. I do have a BB cream, but I have not powdered, I have not contoured or used bronzer or blush or anything like that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is use it as a concealer. If you see me looking down, I do have a mirror right below the camera. So I'm going to be trying to cover any dark circles I have under my eye and possibly in the inner corner here. And then I'm going to kind of bring it up just to structure my eyeshadow a little bit. So that is what I'm going to do right now with the matte side. And it does seem really creamy. I just want to apply a little bit to begin. And then just adding a little bit. I probably should have waited to apply my mascara underneath, but I wasn't really thinking about it. So I'm gonna do that side first. And because it is a cream product, what I wanna do is use the heat of my fingers. I'm just going to tap that in. And then on the other side, I'll go ahead and show you what it does with a brush and possibly a beauty blender if the brush is just not working out. You can see that this did add a little bit of brightness compared to that side. You can see that I do have a little bit of darkness through there, so it did a pretty good job at covering that up, and I am going to be setting that when I am all done. I'm going to go ahead and do this side, but like I said, I'm going to be going in with this brush here. And then if that doesn't end up working out, I will go in with my beauty sponge. You can see that it is a lot brighter when you use the brush instead of your finger, but for me personally, I'm going to go in and just do it a little bit more just to make it blend into my skin a little bit further. I feel like right now the brush just did not do it enough for me. If you like that super bright look though, you'd probably be able to get away with it. But for me, I don't want it to look too bright under the eyes. Then I'm just going to go in just with the sponge. It's obviously not a high coverage concealer or anything like that, but I think it did a pretty good job at getting rid of the bags under my eyes. Next thing I'm going to do is structure the top of my brow with the matte side. I've actually never done this before, so we will see how that goes. I already filled in my brows, but I do want it to be a little bit more structured. So I'm going to be going a little bit above what I have drawn on, just like that. And then underneath too. You want to go right by it because you want to be able to blend in the product a little bit. I'll just dot the front. So that is that side. I'm going to go ahead and just do the other side too while I'm at it. that I have that done, I am going to be going in with that brush because I know that this will be a good job for this. I'm going to pat it. And kind of just move the product around. And it is a very creamy product. You can see that I can easily drag it around. It does look like it structured it out and cleaned up some lines. I definitely like how that is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And that's what I mean. If you can kind of see, it really does drag down. So a little goes a long way. I feel like I probably could have gotten away with using less product, but this is the first time I'm using it, so still getting used to it, but I will keep that in mind for next time to do a little bit less. To accentuate my arch, because I don't naturally have a great one, I am going to be using the highlighted side. So I'm just going to be going in and putting just a little bit right under the arch. That is the only place that you want to apply this shimmer. It really helps to really lift the brow and the arch. So you don't want to apply it anywhere else other than there. And then I'm just going to use my finger this time just to blend that out. I'm also going to be using the shimmer on the inner corner. So that is what it looks like with, and then without. I'm going to do right on my waterline. Cupid's bow. And then down my nose I am going to go in with the matte side first and then put a little bit of shimmer on the very tip. And then on my cheekbone. Set just under my eyes, just because I would set with any normal concealer. I'm just using my Rimmel Stay Matte. I just want to bronze my face. I'm using the Balm Bahama Mama and just really warming up my skin, not really contouring, just adding a little bit of color and glow. My Cabana Boy by the Balm for my blush. Just a little bit on the apples of the cheeks there. That was my first impression on the Lacey's Browlight Duo Pencil in the color gold. They do have a pink right now, and they are coming out with a rose gold by the end of this year. So if you are interested in trying this product out, I will be leaving the link down below along with every other product that I used on my face as well as what I used in this video. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you try it out, please let me know how you like it. Red Aspen products are amazing, and I've been finding a lot of them to be replacing my old products. So I did want to hop on and share this one with you guys because it is the newest product in their lineup. It will be a full beauty brand by the end of this year, which I think is really exciting. They started out with lashes and are adding new products, a few different products a month, and it has been really fun. So I'm going to be leaving the link down below, or if you are interested in the business side at all, let me know. I'll be leaving my email down below as well. I hope you all have an awesome day, and I will see you in in my next one. Bye everybody!